Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am here to show you a video on how to take a popular item or anything that's super popular on Etsy, whether it's a design or just a SVG that's floating around everywhere in every single group. I want to show you how to take a popular design and how to create a design like that for your niche. So today I'll be taking a popular design that I find on Etsy and changing it around to fit my niche, which is my shop coins and connections. So if you are new here, make sure you go ahead and hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. So let me tell you guys a good trick about Etsy, right? So I signed out completely and I just want to go search for something. Now, this is the greatest thing ever. It tells you automatically before you even type anything what's popular right now on Etsy. So you see the notorious RBG shirt, I Descent, dog sweater, pressed flower phone case, Among Us, Halloween lawn, a queen was born in October, something out of Prince, elf on a shelf kit, and butterfly sequence. Top. So I'm interested to see what Among Us means, right? So it's popular. Let me see if I can find something. Okay, so this looks like it might be either a show or something or a character. If I'm not familiar what this is, sorry guys, but I don't know what Among Us is. I don't know if it's a show or not. So here's a shirt that says Among Us. This one says Orange Sus, vote him out. Um, they have some masks. And then again on this same shirt. So I'm not sure what Among Us means, but obviously it's super popular. So let's do this. Let's go to YouTube and let's type in Among Us. So obviously it's some kind of show or something. Among Us funny moments, trolling. So I don't know if it looks like it might be, let me, honestly, it looks like a Teletubby thing. It looks like a Teletubby reinvention. So here it is, Among Us, right? So that's super popular here. It has two videos, 16 million views. So this looks super popular. So I will do more research on that later. But this is what I'm saying. Like, if I could change this to make it, to my brand, I would. But because I don't have any too much knowledge on it, this is not something I want to attempt. So, Notorious RBG shirt. I'm interested to see if everybody has the same design or what. So I've seen this a lot. I did see a lot of people putting the crown on her. So that was dope. Okay, a lot of people doing vote. They doing RBG here. Okay, so I don't feel like this aligns with my brand, so I definitely won't do a remake of this one. But I just wanted to show you that you could very well find a shirt in here. So because it's October, let's look up Thanksgiving. I don't want it to just say, let's look up Thanksgiving pngs. And then I'll look up SVGs because everybody has the same one. So a lot of people, I always see the pumpkin. I always see like this. So the only thing I want to know is with these PNGs, can I change the color if I was to buy one, right? So let's go over to Canva. I'm going to create a 5,000 by 5,000. This one says gobble till you wobble. This one says friends. And that one just says thankful. I like the one that says it's gravy, baby. Here for the pie. I love this font. I wonder if that's like a disco font. And while we're at it, we're going to go ahead and search for the font. And we're going to go to thefont.com. So we created that here. What else we see? We see grateful, thankful, blessed. And that's easy for my brand. I could do that in black and white, and it just says grateful, thankful, blessed, and probably the font that I would normally create my shirt's logo in, or a different logo. And of course, my computer wants to move slow as molasses, right? So I'm just gonna type in disco because I want to see what that font looks like. If it's the double layer look. So this is kind of different. But I guess, going here, I could find something similar to that layer look. And then also, it just kind of looks like they could have created that effect using a software tool as well. So, but, if you're like me and you need extra help, the font is here. So I didn't find anything that I liked. I'm going to go to elements over here, and I'm going to look for a pumpkin. All right, so looking for a pumpkin. Give me a second, guys. All right, so scroll down and I saw this pumpkin. And the thing about me is if I can change the color to the pumpkin, that's the pumpkin for me. If I can't, then I really don't want it, right? What's the purpose? I can't change the color, then I don't want it. Let's see, this is looks like a sad face pumpkin here. But we can change the colors. So the outline I would leave, the green stem would probably be red. Well, let's do a darker red. And then this would be the brighter red. Okay. The dark orange would be a dark gray. Let's find a dark gray. And then this would be probably black. And or this would be white, or that red would be white. I don't know. Something like that. If I was to change it to match my business. Okay, so let's go look at a few more shirts. So here's a thing and it just says thankful. So let's do that one. I like that one. The rainbow with the thankful inside. So let's look up a rainbow. We probably could have used that pumpkin. So there's a rainbow there, one there. Let's see what that one looks like. Has some cheetah print in there. So that's a fun looking one. And remember, if I can't change the colors, I don't want it. Right? So most of my shirts are black and white. So I am going to probably stick with like a black, white. Nope, that needs to be white or dark gray. Brown. Let it be white. So let me, and then this needs to be white. So let's do the background because I want it on a black shirt. So if I did this, oh, we need to make this smaller so everything can fit on the shirt. And what did the shirt say? It had a pumpkin in it and then it said thankful. So let's go back to our handy dandy pumpkin. So didn't really like that pumpkin either because it had the face. Let's see. Remember, I want to be able to change the color of my pumpkin to match my brand. So I would probably do a red pumpkin and then a little white stem or off-white. I might just, let's see, where's that dark gray at? Use that instead. So this arrow seems to be super long, you see? And I don't want a pumpkin like that. So can we find a fall leaf? Let's see. Fall leaves. Or money. Because this is my brand, right? But of course, I should have a money bag here. This is kind of ugly though. But I want you to, it's more of, I want you to understand where I'm going with this. So I'm just going to add some text. This would not be a design. Listen, y'all, I would not publish this design, but I wanted to show you how you could take a popular design from Etsy and niche it to your brand. And instead of saying thankful, I would, again, this is my brand, I would say snatch some coins or something like that. And find a different font. Do not judge me. It's early in the morning and I'm recording this video. But I just wanted you to understand that you could take a design that's, already created and turn it into something for your brand. So we would have this on a black shirt that said snatch them coins. And we can change this color. So we could probably make this white and this green. Okay. So then it looks like it blends a little bit better. All right. So that would be my version of the rainbow with thank you. And of course, if you want to get it closer to that, you would just need to find a thicker but shorter rainbow. And let's see, they might have one. So let's see. So that one's kind of more, shorter, thicker rainbow. Here's one. So, it just depends on which one you grab, guys. And that would get you closer to that actual look here. So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick video of showing you guys how to take a popular design on Etsy and tailoring it to your niche or your business. You could use this design to put also on a mug or a journal. Again, if it's popular on Etsy, you can twist it and change it to match your brand and still reach a different audience, but given that same effect of whatever it was. They want Thanksgiving, we're going to be thankful for these coins, okay? So, again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, I love you more than you love the video. Peace.